Hi guys, I'm Akhil from Flintobox and I'm here to show you guys about this month's 8 to 12 Fun with Electricity box. So in this box, you will be learning about what is a simple circuit, what is a conductor and an insulator, and what is voltage. So the first activity is my robot house. So the children will be making a house along with they'll be sketching, they'll be sticking and they'll be making a simple electrical circuit. So in this process, the children will be developing their coordination, focus and imagination. The second activity is the conduction detector. So the children will be making a robot which will tell them about what is a conductor and what is an insulator. So what is a conductor and insulator? The conductor is a material which allows the electric current to pass through, and an insulator is a material which does not allow. So that's the difference between both of them. In this activity, the child will develop on imagination, focus and critical thinking. The third and final activity is voltage effect. So what is voltage? Voltage is a force which allows the electric current to flow. The children will be observing the fan speed increasing with the increase in voltage by adding new batteries. So in this process, your child will develop on critical thinking, logical reasoning and exploration skills. So this box is filled with a lot of fun activities, so go get yours now.